Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3 from exercise 13.2 chapter exponents and powers. Say true or false and justify your answer. 10 into question number 1, 10 into 10 to the power 11 is equal to 100 to the power 11. You check, is it true? Verify it. Left hand side, what is the value? 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 11. Bases are same. So 1 plus 11, it will be 10 to the power 12. And for the right hand side, you can write in this way. Right hand side, it is 10 square. 100 means 10 into 10. So 10 to the power 2 into 11. That is 10 to the power 2 into 11, 22. Are they same? No, they are not same. So this result is, it is false. Okay. So this is the justification. You can see that why it is not correct. Why this is not true. Why it is false. So you can show this. Now 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. As you know that power is more than basis, then the value is more. But in this case, this is not true. Why? Say 2 to the power 3 left hand side, it is 2 into 2 in 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. And right hand side 5 square, 5 to the power 2 means 5 into 5, that is 25. What do you think? 25 and 8, which one is greater? Is 8 greater? Though the power is more, but the base is much smaller than this one, not the consecutive numbers also. So in that case, the power is does not telling the result of this number. So 2 cube is 8 and 5 square is 25. So 5 square is not less here. 2 cube is less. So that is why it is false. Now see question number 3. 2 cube into 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 is equal to 6 to the power 5. I have first checked this. Left hand side 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power, neither the bases are same nor the powers are same. So no law we can use. We have to only simplify this one. 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, 27. If you multiply these two, you will get 216. Come to the right side. Right hand side 6 to the power 5. 6 to the power 5 means 6 will come 5 times and the result is 7776. Now you say, are they equal? But they are giving it is equal. That means this statement is false. So this statement is false. Now come to the next number, question number 4. Now question number 4, it is 3 to the power 0 into 1000 to the power 0. 3 to the power 0 into 1000 to the power 0. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Now you say why? It is true. Why it is true? Because in left hand side 3 to the power 0, you know that a to the power 0 is always 1. And right hand side, this is also 1000 to the power 0. The value is 1. So both left hand side and right hand side values are same and they are given equal to sign also. So 3 to the power 0 also 1 and 1000 to the power 0 also 1. So both the places are correct. So it is true. Now question number 4. Express each of the following as a product of the prime factors and give the answer only in the exponential form. 108 into 192. First of all, you have to find the prime factors of 108 and 192. You can see that 108 means 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 to the power 2 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 to the power 3. Then 192, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to the power 6. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 to the power 6 into 3. Now the bases are same, 2 to the power 2 plus 6 into 3 to the power 3 plus 1, because it is 3 and it is 1, so 3 plus 1, so 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 4, and this is the answer. You have to give the answer in the exponential form. Question number 3. 729 into 64. Express the number as the product of the prime factors only in the exponential form. Same question. So you have to find out the prime factors of 729. Find the prime factors in this way. As it is 729, so it can be divisible by 3. So in this way you will find the prime factors. How many prime numbers you can see of 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 to the power 6 into 64. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 to the power 6. So in this way you can write the answer only. But you have to show these prime factors. How you are finding the prime factors? This is known as prime factorization. You have to show this one and then you will write the answer. Next sum is 768. Now next question is 768. Find the prime factorization of 768. You can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 to the power 8 into 3. So this is the answer of this sum, 2 to the power 8 into 3. You have to show the prime factorization in this side. Now question number 5, simplify. By using the laws of the exponents, you have to find the value of this sum. See, it is 2 to the power of power, 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3, 8 to the power 3 into 7. 8 is not a prime number, so you have to find the prime factors of 8. But power of power, 2 to the power 5 into 2 into 7 to the power 3. Then 8 means 2 cube. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 to 3 times. And the power was 3 outside. So it is outside 3 into 7 to the power 1. Now 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3. Here power of power. So you know 2 to the power 3. 3 is the 9 into 7. So you can write 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 9 into 7. So these are in division form. 2 to the power 10 minus 9 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1. So 2 to the power 10 minus 9 means 2 to the power 1. 1 not required to write, and 7 to the power 2. The value is 2 into 49. 7 7 is 49. If you multiply, you will get 98. So the result of this simplification is 98. So in this way, I will do the next two sums tomorrow. And these sums are slightly, you have to follow the steps. So one by one we are doing. Try to practice it. Thank you, students.